I do is meat, like chicken breast.
Yeah, I say, yeah, when I do eat chicken
Did you get it?
and meat, I eat the lean, like if I eat beef, I eat that 93 or grass fed. I eat the grass fed.
I bought a 96 at Walmart, but
You got 96 at Walmart?
96 at Walmart.
I'm supposed to try to rock with that grass fed if I'm gonna do any kind of beef. I don't really do red meat
That's what my coach had me do. Normally I wouldn't have done it. I noted it. But he really wanted me to do 98. He's finding it around here. But he gave me this, what is it called? Skinny beef it's called. 98% lean. You gotta order it. You swear by it.
How many you say?
20 for the first set. Second set 15.
You said 98%?
98%. Yeah, I ain't seen it around here.
I haven't seen it, but I ain't looked for it. Like, I ain't know what to do.
Oh, okay.
If I got it, yeah, it's better. Yeah.
You on IG? Yeah. All right. This is on. Oh, you tell your coaches on it. Coach by submit that.